Hi Lone Mountain friends. Today I thought it'd be fun if we made the Lone Mountain carrot muffins since we can't do it at school. So I have my table ready with all the ingredients and the recipe should be below this video. And let's get started. First we're going to take our shredded carrots. It's about 2 large carrots makes 2 cups of shredded carrots. I'm going to put it in this. So everybody, if you've got them, put that in there. And then to this, I'm going to add my pineapples, crushed pineapples, and all the juice. Around this time, kids, that I would have you guys help me do this. So I'm putting that in there. Can you see that? Yuck. Oh wait, you know what? Don't forget, guys, I forgot to mention this. 2 things. First, your oven should be preheating at 350 degrees. And the second thing, friends, what does Evalynna always say when we do cooking projects? Wash your hands. Round and round. Get them all nice and clean, because do we want boogers in here? No. Do we want germs in here? No. So make sure your hands stay clean before you start doing this, okay? So I've got my carrots, the crushed pineapple and its juices, and I'm going to need 2 teaspoons, which is this little thing, of cinnamon, okay? So I'm going to do this and count with me. Here's one, and smells like goodness, all right? So, closer. So we've got 1 teaspoon and 2 teaspoons, all right? So we're going to leave that there for a second. I'm done with this. Now, in this bowl, I'm going to put all my wet stuff. So this is our medium stuff, this is our wet stuff. I need 4 eggs, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to crack them in here. Tap, tap, tap. Crush. Let's count another one. Tap, tap, tap. 2. Remember, at school, whenever we do this, it's only Evalynna who gets to do this, right? Because this stuff is gross. 3. And 4. 4 eggs. And then I need 1 cup of oil. There I go, 1 cup of oil. I'm going to pour this all in here. All right, and then I'm also going to put my 1 cup of sugar into my mixture. This is where we keep our sugar in my house. It's in this giant pot. Okay, there's my 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to put it in to my egg mixture. Okay, put my sugar away. And then I'm going to mix it up, okay? Remember, when we're at school, we all get a turn to mix this up. So let's count. Let's do it 20 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's just count to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. I think that looks pretty good and mixed up. Now, I also want to I'm going to put this wet stuff into our medium stuff. And then we're going to add all of our dry stuff into this mixture, okay? So we're adding all this. Make sure to scrape the bottom. All right, there's all our yucky stuff in there. And then I'm going to get our flour. And we need about 1½ cups of this. Here's my ½ cup. There's 1. And my whole cup is here. There's 1½ cups. Okay, flour's done. Now I'm going to use my other dry stuff. I'm going to put a half a teaspoon of salt. Here's my half teaspoon. It's going in here. And then I need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Here it is. This is going to help our muffins grow and get bigger. As is the baking powder here. Another teaspoon of this. And I did my flour and I did my salt. Okay. And we're going to mix this together. Hold on, stay there. I'm going to get a mixing thing. Spatula, I guess. And we're going to mix this up. Now, with mommy and daddy or you're grown up, just mix it up like this and just keep folding. And just like at school, we can just stir, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Now, you could also add nuts if you liked it and you're not allergic, or you could add a handful of raisins, and that would be yummy. I don't like raisins and I don't like nuts in my muffins, so there you go. That's why I'm not putting them in this one. And there's your batter. Now next, we're going to take our muffin tin, and if you have muffin liners, super. And if you don't, you can just spray them like I do. You guys have never seen this at school, so this is what I do when I take them magically away, unless I have the liners and I ask you to fill them up. So I'm just going to spray each one of these a little bit. And then you fill them up. You guys sometimes help me with this one. So let's count them. How many do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to fill 6. So that's 1, 2, 3. Whoops, that's a little halfy. 3 again. 4. Let's do 5 and 6. Okay, so I'm going to fill these up a little bit more so they're a little bit more full. This should give you about 12 muffins, or a little bit more or less depending on how full you fill your muffin tins. It's not clean, it's okay. And then we're going to come over to my oven and put them inside. And then 30 minutes later, they'll be done. So now that they're done, I'm going to take them out of the oven. Yummy, but they're hot. So we're going to let them cool here, and then we'll get to eat one, and that's delicious. My friends, I also forgot to, I put a little secret ingredient on top, which is a little bit of sprinkled sugar and cinnamon on top. I just mix a little sugar and cinnamon in a bowl, and then I sprinkle them on top of the muffins, and they will actually, so this is without, and this is what they look like with. So they're very yummy. That was my timer. So I hope you enjoyed this.